How to use Credo Reference. Credo Reference provides access to a collection of full-text reference titles, dictionaries, encyclopedias, and more. Credo is the academic alternative to Wikipedia. Credo Reference can be accessed by going to the e-resources page and clicking on the link on the See tab. Type your search term into the search box. Suggestions may appear as you type. Choose one of the suggestions or click on the magnifying glass. Results can be filtered by type, such as reference or definition, by subject, by whether it contains any media, such as an image, by the number of words in the article, or by date using the slider. Click on the title to see the full article. If you click on Save, you have the options to print, download, or save the article to your personal Google Drive. Share gives you the option to email the article or copy the direct link. Cite gives you the citation of the article for your bibliography. Most college courses uses the Harvard format. Read aloud will read the article to you. Translate allows you to see the article in a different language. Choose from the list. You will also see related searches that you can try. You can browse the content by subject. Either choose a subject on the home page or go to Topics in the menu. You can filter by subject. If there is a down arrow by the subject, there are further subcategories available. You can scroll down to see more topics or use the letters to jump to another section. Clicking on a topic brings you to a screen with the results similar to performing a search. There is a useful visual exploration research tool called Mind Map. You can access it on the home page or from the menu. It also appears on the search results page. Mind maps can help brainstorming and refining your ideas when considering a research assignment. The mind map takes your search term and shows related terms in a cloud. Clicking on one of these terms gives more related terms. You can repeat this process as many times as you want, at least until you run out of related terms. Export to PDF will save the current mind map as a PDF document. There are useful videos on different aspects of research available.